In this video, I'm going to explain about the Smart tool in Pro Tools. But just before I do that, I'll just show you what mode I am using at the moment. So up in the top left-hand corner, you've got these 4 different modes that you can select. And when you first start using Pro Tools, it's going to be best to keep it in slip mode just for now. That's the most used mode. Apart from that, there is the grid mode, which is also used, but more often when you need the cursor to snap to particular grid values that you've got set. But we're just going to work in slip mode at the moment. So before you begin, just make sure you've got that selected and it's lit up green. Okay, so I'm just going to use the Smart tool now, but before I do that, I'll just resize this track so we can see the audio clip a bit better. You will see in this section at the top of the screen, these are all your tools. And at the moment, these 3 tools here are all lit up blue. So that means you've got the Smart tool in operation. If you didn't have those 3 lit up blue, then you wouldn't be using the Smart tool and you may have clicked on one of the individual tools. So just to explain what these are, you have got the trimmer tool, you have got the selector tool, and you've got the grabber tool. And you can select these individually, like I say, but you would have to keep changing each time you wanted to do a different operation. So the best thing to do is click just in the area slightly above these 3 tools. There's like a little surround area to them. And if you click on that, it lights up blue, and then your Smart tool is in use. So to show you what I mean by that, depending on where you place the cursor on your audio clip, the tool will change intelligently so that you can use it in the way you want to. So if I want to trim the clip, I move the cursor to either the start or the end of the clip, and then as I click and drag, it resizes the clip. And yeah, that's non-destructive, so I can trim it back the other way to see the whole of the clip. So that's the trimmer. If I want to use it as the selector tool, then I just move slightly up into the top part of the clip, and then I can use it as a selection tool. So literally just click and drag to make a selection. So if you want to cut out a bit of audio that you don't need, then you can then just delete that as you wish. So that's the selector tool. And then finally, the grabber tool is useful for moving the audio around. So you notice as I move the cursor down to the bottom half of the clip, it turns into the hand, which is the grabber tool. So just click to select the whole audio clip, and then just move left and right, or even up onto other tracks if you wanted to do that. So those are the 3 main options of the Smart tool. And you'll notice, because I'm in slip mode, it's moving freely around, so it's not snapping to any grid values or anything like that. So there you go, give that a try, see how you get on.